Hey everybody, we're doing another VanLife vlog. Today we're going to talk about what and how to do laundry while living in a van. You may think it's easy because you can just go to a laundromat, but I'm going to go a little bit more into that. So let's get started. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So if you guys are new to this page, I live in my van 100% of the time. I am a stand-up comic slash actor, writer that's trying to make it in Los Angeles, but I self-built my van and I live out of it in Los Angeles, and I also do these vlogs to kind of show you how to live in small spaces, and it's how perfect it is for an artist like myself. So if you are new to this page, please like and subscribe, and also check out all my other videos and other tips and trays that I could possibly give to you. Comment below if you have any questions. I do get back to everybody. First off, I'm holding a laundry bag. Yeah, laundry is pretty simple, you would think, right? You just put it into a hamper and you do laundry. Now, a typical person that has laundry or does laundry, you know, you split up your whites and your darks and your delicates and things like that, right? Well, we don't really have the space to do that in under 100 square feet. You know, my van is 96 square feet. We don't have a lot of room to put laundry. What do we do? So you have to make sure, like for instance, I got this laundry bag off of Amazon, and it, you know, it just hangs up. I got two little hooks inside my bathroom, like so, on these hooks. Oh. It's got a zipper on the bottom. Zips. I'll put a link in the description on how where I bought it and things. You throw everything into the washing machine, and bada bing bada boom, you know, you got yourself a nice little bag. You throw the bag in there and you're good to go. It's important to have a certain designated place for your laundry inside of your small space. You know, we have like you know, you have a designated spot for your refrigerator, you know, you have a designated spot for where your clothes go and things like that. You know, a lot of this has to do with where your toilet goes. You know, you have to think about where that stuff goes. So what a lot of people don't remember is when you are converting into a smaller space, you have to think about the stupid little things like laundry. So I obviously do my laundry at a laundromat. Now, there are some other options that I'm actually looking into that I might do myself. I like to save power, so there's some other like smaller, I'll put some pictures of other ones like up in my corner of my screen that'll show, like, you know, small hand crank ones. There's a one that's, I think it's a European design, and it's a foot crank. It actually looks really, really cool. And you actually can put it in there, you wash the clothes, you foot crank it, it washes everything, and then when you want to dry it, you get rid of the water, you drain the water, and then you do a spin cycle with your foot again, and that won't dry completely, but then you just have to find a place to hang it up. So you can do that. It's something that's crossed my mind, and they also do make some electrical, like RV washer and dryers. They just take up a lot of room. And somebody that does live in this small space all the time, I don't have an apartment, and other people that are van lifers, you may think like, you know, it's just easier to go to a laundromat. Now, we all have these little contraptions in our pockets. They're amazing. All you gotta do is do a Google search of the closest laundromat and then just read reviews on it. It's not that difficult. I get questions all the time on, where do I do my laundry? Well, guess what? It's that easy. You just gotta look up a place, read the reviews on it, make sure it's in a decent neighborhood. For me, I like to get a lot of work done while I'm in there. I'll do a lot of writing, or I'll do sketches, or I will just, you know, I'll actually read a lot of emails and reply to a lot of comments on YouTube and things like that. I like to do my laundry about once a week. As you can see, the bag isn't very big. As a van lifer, we don't have that many clothes, so this fills up quite quickly. So I usually will do my laundry every 4 to 6, maybe 7 days. I'll do laundry, and because, you know, I like to throw in my workout clothes. I may not look like it, but I go to the gym. So workout clothes, obviously undergarments and socks. You know, you got to throw those in there. You know, things you wear on a daily basis. I've been going out a lot more. A lot of van lifers are hikers, climbers. You want to obviously wash that kind of clothing and things like that. And you know, it can kind of get annoying to do it that often. But when you actually only do one load at a time, you don't split up whites and darks, right? You just throw it all into one pile, and you just set it on normal wash. You know, to do a wash machine is 30 minutes. In the dryer, you can get it done in 20 minutes on a high temp or medium temp, whatever it is. You're out of there in an hour. So it's really not that big a deal. If you're looking at an hour every 5 days, 6 days, it's not that big a deal. I like to do vlogs where I get asked questions about, and I get a lot of questions are where I do laundry. How do I get it done? And the obvious answer is a laundromat, right? But I feel like there's more than just going to a laundromat, and there is a lot more. I think it's funny when people ask me, where do you do your laundry? Well, obviously I do it at a laundromat. A washing machine will run anywhere between $1.50 to $2, and your dryer will run anywhere between 50 cents to 75 cents, depending on how long you want to keep it in there, maybe $1. So you're looking at $3 to do your laundry. All right, guys, thanks for tuning into the vlog. I know it was a short one. It was kind of just, I wanted to get something out this week about just a van life and van living and things like that, and if you're considering getting into it, how to get into it, what you have to think about. So please like, subscribe, share with your friends. But more importantly, I have a van life build series coming out, not just on how I built my van, but other options you can do for your van, less expensive and more expensive. There's going to be 5 different parts that you could have, so all you DIYers out there can build your own van and convert it the way that you want to do it. So definitely want to stay tuned for that, and that's where a lot of my time has been taken, and that's why I really haven't had a decent vlog recently. So I will definitely have some good footage, or I'll definitely have some good stuff for you coming out soon. But please stay tuned for that, and I will see you next time.